Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about Warmachine, my home theater gaming PC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about Warmachine, my home theater gaming PC. It's got a couple of updates recently. One of them is being the RX 480, and the other update is the Noctua cooler. The purpose of Noctua cooler is to have something nicer, quieter, that can handle the heat a little better. The purpose of the RX 480 was because my Battlefield 1 numbers were terrible. My performance is terrible in Battlefield 1 with the GTX 960, so I upgraded to RX 480. It's a 8 gigabytes. It is slightly overclocked, and because of Windows 10 dying, I had to reinstall it. Thank you, Windows 10. Anyways, just wanted to give a quick update about the video. I have some time lapses to show you, some gameplay before Windows 10 died. I'm reinstalling it again, and I'll have some numbers for you very soon. This is like a half of a update video. I'll get you some real numbers of the RX 480 very soon. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. See you soon.